PostgreSQL, interview questions and answers. Beginner means advanced. Introduction. This is a structured set of commonly asked PostgreSQL interview questions with clear answers. It covers PostgreSQL fundamentals, SQL queries and joins, indexing and optimization, transactions and ACID, JSON and advanced PostgreSQL features, replication and scalability, performance tuning, and production concepts. PostgreSQL is one of the most powerful and widely used open-source relational database systems. 1 to 20. PostgreSQL Basics 1. What is PostgreSQL? PostgreSQL is an open-source relational database management system, RDBMS. 2. Why use PostgreSQL? ACID compliance, advanced SQL support, JSON support, scalability, and reliability. 3. PostgreSQL versus MySQL. PostgreSQL means advanced features and strict standards. MySQL means simpler and lightweight. 4. What type of database is PostgreSQL? Relational database. 5. What is a table? Collection of rows and columns. 6. What is a row? Single record in table. 7. What is a column? Field attribute in table. 8. What is schema in PostgreSQL? Logical grouping of database objects. 9. What is primary key? Unique identifier for rows. 10. Example primary key. Create table users. ID serial primary key. Relationship between tables. 12. What is unique constraint? Prevents duplicate values. 13. What is not null constraint? Prevents null values. 14. What is default value?
Automatically assigned value.
15. What is serial in PostgreSQL? Auto increment integer type. 16. What is UUID? Universally unique identifier. 17. What is normalization? Reducing data redundancy. 18. What is denormalization? Combining data for performance. 19. What is PostgreSQL data directory? Location where DB files are stored. 20. What is PSQL? PostgreSQL command line client. 21 to 40. SQL queries and joins. 21. What is SQL? Structured query language. 22. Select query example. Select R from users. 23. What is where clause? Filters rows. 24. Example. Where. Select all from users where age over 18. Adds new rows. 26. Insert example. Insert into users, name, values John. 27. What is update? Modifies existing rows. 28. Update example. Update users set age equals 30, where ID equals 1. 29. What is delete? Removes rows. 30. Delete example. Delete from users, where ID equals 1. 31. Combines rows from multiple tables. 32. Types of join. Inner join, left join, right join, full join. 33. Inner join example. Select F from users U. Inner join orders O on U.ID equals O.userID. 34. What is group by? Groups rows for aggregation. 35. What is having? Filters grouped data. 36. What is order by? Sorts query results. 37. ASC versus DSC. ASC means ascending, DSC means descending. Restricts result count. 39. Example. Limit. Select from users limit 10. 40. What is offset? Skips rows in query result. 41 to 60. Transactions and indexing. 41. What is transaction? Group of SQL operations executed together. 42. What are ACID properties? Atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability. 43. What is commit? Saves transaction permanently. 44. What is rollback? Reverts transaction. 45. What is save point? Partial rollback marker. 46. What is concurrency? Multiple users accessing DB simultaneously. 47. What is deadlock? Transactions waiting for each other. 48. What is indexing? Improves query performance. 49. Why indexes are fast? Avoids full table scans. 50. Types of indexes in PostgreSQL. B-tree, hash, gin, gist. 51. What is B-tree index? Default PostgreSQL index type. 52. What is gin index? Optimized for JSON/full-text search. 53. What is composite index? Index on multiple columns. 54. Create index example. Create index IDX name on user's name. 55. What is explain? Shows query execution plan. 56. What is analyze? Updates query planner statistics. 57. What is vacuum? Cleans dead tuples. 58. What is auto vacuum? Automatic cleanup process. 59. What is full table scan? Scanning every row. 60. What is query optimization? Improving SQL performance. 61 to 80. Advanced PostgreSQL features. 61. What is JSON support in PostgreSQL? Native JSON and JSONB storage. 62. JSON versus JSONB. JSON means text storage. JSONB means binary optimized storage. 63. Example JSONB column. Create table products, data JSONB. Searching text efficiently. 65. What is materialized view? Stored query result. 66. What is view? Virtual table from query. 67. What is stored procedure? Reusable SQL block. 68. What is function in PostgreSQL? Callable, reusable logic. 69. What is trigger? Automatically executed DB action. 70. Trigger use cases. Auditing, validation, logging. 71. What is partitioning? Splitting large tables. 72. Why partition tables? Better performance, scalability. 73. What is replication? Copying data across servers. 74. Types of replication. Streaming replication, logical replication. 75. What is failover? Switching to backup DB server. 76. What is WAL? Write ahead logging. 77. Why WAL important? Ensures durability and recovery. 78. What is connection pooling? Reusing DB connections. 79. What is PG Bouncer? PostgreSQL connection pooler. 80. What is PostgreSQL extension? Additional functionality module. 81 to 100. Performance, scaling, and production concepts. 81. What is scalability? Handling increased load efficiently. 82. Vertical versus horizontal scaling. Vertical means stronger server. Horizontal means more servers. 83. What is read replica? Read-only replicated server. 84. What is sharding? Splitting data across databases. 85. What is backup? Copy of database data. 86. Backup tools. PG dump? Click PG base backup. 87. What is restore? Recovering backup data. 88. What is point-in-time recovery? Restore DB to specific moment. 89. What is monitoring? Tracking database health. 90. PostgreSQL monitoring tools. SAC, PG admin. Prometheus, Datadog. 91. What is locking? Preventing conflicting changes. 92. What is optimistic locking? Assumes conflicts are rare. 93. What is pessimistic locking? Locks rows immediately. 94. What is PostgreSQL security? Authentication, authorization, encryption. 95. What is role in PostgreSQL? User group permission system. 96. What is grant? Gives permissions. 97. Example grant. Grant select on users to app user. 98. What is schema migration? Managing DB structure changes. 99. What is ORM integration? Using PostgreSQL through frameworks like Hibernate JPA. 100. How to master PostgreSQL. Learn SQL deeply. Understand indexing. Practice query optimization. Learn transactions and replication. Work with large-scale systems. Final summary. PostgreSQL interviews focus on SQL queries and joins, transactions and ACID, indexing and optimization, JSONB, and advanced PostgreSQL features, replication and scalability. Key idea. Strong PostgreSQL developers understand both relational modeling and production database optimization deeply.